Welcome, friends. My name is Emily. My profession is classroom teaching. I love learning and teaching. I want to teach you sweet kids everything. First of all, I will teach you how to count in mathematics, because mathematics is with us at every moment of our lives. For example, if you go to the store and buy 2 candies, let's say 2 candies are $3. You know how many candies there are, and the price is $1.50. This way, the man at the supermarket can't fool you. So let's start counting so we don't get fooled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Actually, I have a 0 because 0 means nothing. It wouldn't make much sense to say. When they ask you, "Don't I have a pen?" you answer, "I don't have a pen." Actually, there is no 0 there. I know I hurt your brain a little bit. I'm sorry about that. This is how our brain learns and develops. In the following videos, I will teach you what 0 means and which numbers it is used with. Yes, unfortunately, we have come to the end of our counting lesson. Thanks for listening. For more educational videos, subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you very much for supporting me. I wish you all a very energetic day.